Hey, it's Rock here. I got a post on my last video from a guy, Golf Ninja. Thought it was really kind of brilliant what he was saying. So, what he told me to do is, when I get to the top, push down on this right foot, and then, I'm using that to leverage my whole body coming down, and then, go from pushing down to rolling. Kind of rolling the ankle, and it's an interesting feeling. You feel some torque kind of this way as you roll the ankle, and that really helps to open up the lower body and get this left side established. So I've heard people, when I pitch, when I used to pitch, I'd push off, I push off this inside of my right foot, and obviously doing squats and things, you're going straight down, but the combination of those two ideas I thought was pretty brilliant, very simple, and really is helping me. I shot 71 yesterday doing it, and I'm playing really well today. So alright, Golf Ninja, I'm just going to show a couple, keep my foot really down, and then I'll go into more of a regular swing. Alright, Golf Ninja, that was pretty cool right there. I felt it. I got in here, I felt leveraging my whole downswing off this leg. Felt this foot just roll in the ankle. Rolling the ankle. Feel like my foot's twisting this way. Coming through impact, feel my lower body open up. It was all really cool. So let me keep going. Alright, let me see if I can try to just push my body to the limit right here. So same process, I'm just going to try to drive the green right here. All right, didn't quite get it that time, but really long left green side bunker. So again, down force. You do that by, you know, chest is out over, you get down force, and then, you know, as you rotate, you know, you have to be, you know, have enough leverage into the ground to rotate through. And the new wrinkle from Golf Ninja is pushing down and then allowing that ankle to roll. Feel a little bit of torque in it, and go like that. This foot's flared out. This foot's flared out. Feel this side engage. Transfer all the pressure into that left foot, and then bam. So it's good job now, Golf Ninja. Thank you, sir. See you.